Hello everyone, just want to take a moment to introduce you to newly founded Recovery Motorsports. It's been about 3 years in the making. Decided to build on my team and the progress I made over the last few years and put a little something together for this year. Start out today just kind of telling you what I'm about, give you a little bit of a shop tour, introduce you to some of the projects I got going on. So, this is a car raced all last year and a little bit the year before, mainly at Eagle Raceway. It's also a car that I yard sailed at Belleville in the B main on the second night. Sean up in Lincoln got it straightened out for me, stripped it down and put it back together, and it's race ready. Next thing I'm going to be doing is expanding our team this year. I'm building this car. It was actually my first car that I also yard sailed at Lakeside Speedway, my 4th race ever. Sean up in Lincoln and Joe Snyder and Stu welded it up for me. Got some new parts put in there, square and solid. I'm going to be building this for former crew chief, now driver Kyle Tyler. See what he can do in a sprint car this year. Building a car from scratch is something I'm not very good at. It takes a whole lot of fitment and figuring things out. So you can learn along with me on that deal. My other project I'm currently working on is building a motor. I introduce you guys to Ron Thomas Racing Engines. Been working on this past few days. I've been washing parts, getting prepped to begin the pre-assembly. Never built any kind of motor, so we're going to see how this goes. Hopefully I do Ron proud, because it's a lot. I got a lot of help from some good people. John Johnson's one that helped me out with all the parts and everything I needed, and gave me a lot of advice, so I really appreciate that. I'll be operating more southern Kansas, northern Oklahoma. My plan is to run the OCRS. Goal would be to run for championship points. It's a lofty goal, making 90% of the races to even qualify for championship points. Kyle will be coming along with me whenever he's able to make the races, and hopefully between the two of us we'll have some successes to build on from last year. Hope to bring on board some of the sponsors from last year and partnerships that we had. Reached out to the folks at TBM Brakes. They helped me out with a front and rear brake package on this red car last year. Their brake package is phenomenal. It completely changed my driving style. Having the confidence and a consistent, strong feel in the brake pedal every lap, just up to my ability full time. Hope to build on that relationship with TBM Brakes and build on our partnership. Also reaching out to my other sponsor last year, Smallwood's Mobile Mechanic Service. Look forward to working with Frankie Smallwood again. It's good people. Have a very successful year. Home base will be 81 Speedway, and I have to have the orange car built and the motor for it built within the next little over a month, because the first track day is March 7th at 81 Speedway. To be honest, as long as the motor doesn't blow up on the dyno, everything else after that is a win. So we'll go with that. I have my old reliable still in that car, still with a cracked block. I'm gonna run it all year like that. It's gonna work, no doubt. I'm gonna be doing a series of videos. We'll call them learn as you go videos, because if I called them how to, then that might indicate I know what I'm doing. I get a lot of help from some longtime racers and people I call good friends at this point. Today on the agenda is washing parts. So I'll do a little time lapse for y'all, because washing parts is boring. No one wants to watch me wash parts all day. We'll show you the end results once again. Recovery Motorsports. We'll be launching our Facebook page. Watch our videos. Let me know what you think in the comments. Get the show on the road. All right, almost finished product. Just about everything washed and bagged and separated. Pretty much just have the cam and the crank left and the rocker arms. Probably one more day, half a day I hope, and we'll be ready.